Hello, good morning, or good day, good afternoon, good night, whatever time that you are seeing this video. Receive the greetings at the time. Today, I want to show you the basics of Microsoft Word. For some people who do not have idea on how to use Microsoft Word, today I want to take you through the basics, all right, the fundamentals, everything you need to know to begin working with Microsoft Word and creating your document. So, as you can see on the screen, we have Microsoft Windows opened up, and I'm going to be showing you the Windows layout, explaining a little bit about the tools, because I believe that for effective work to take place, for you to construct a house or build anything, you need to know the tools to be used and what those tools are used for. So, because of that, I'm going to start by showing you the basic tools of Microsoft Word, the layouts and the menus and the tools that you can use to create your document and edit your document. Okay, so stay with me. Now I'm going to start from here. As simple as this is, if you look at where my mouse pointer is, you see document one. This place is called title bar. It is a place that displays the title of your page, the title of your document. So when you have multiple documents opened, when you have if you're working with lots of documents and you're trying to know which exact document this is, you would see the name of the document. By the time we change the name of those documents, you will see that it will change from documents one to the name that we're going to save it as with. Okay, now from here, as you can see, the whole of this place is called the ribbon. All right, and in each ribbon we have tabs. Okay, the tabs, you have file, home, insert, design, layout, references, mailings, review, view, acrobat. All of this is what tabs. And in each tabs you're going to find groups. Okay, in each tabs you're going to find groups. As you can see, when I click on home, you're going to find different groups under home. You're going to see clipboard, fonts, paragraph, styles, editing, and Adobe Acrobat. Okay, now if you click on insert, you're going to see groups, also different kinds of groups, design, and so forth. Now these groups are designed for particular tools. In each group you find tools that you will use to achieve a particular command or particular task that you want to do in Microsoft Word. Okay, now as you can see under clipboard, you see cut, copy, format, painter, and paste. These tools you use to copy when you want to duplicate, when you want to replicate a particular style, and all of that. We will come to it when we start discussing details, about how to use all these tools. But this is just introduction. And then we have under fonts, you have font size, font style, where you have to talk about the kind of style, the look you want the characters of your word, of your letters to look like. That's what we call fonts. The look you want them to look like, I'll call it font style. Then we've got here font size. You want it big, you want it little. This is called font size. This is where you do that. And then we've got all other tools here that you can use to change the color of your fonts, change the background of your highlights, your what's it called, your font, and then change the effects, superscript and subscript, and you have bold, italics and underline. All of this we're going to work with them as the classes progress. Maybe not in this class, but as you stay with me, I'm going to be teaching you how to use all of this. And then, of course, the paragraph group. Here you find alignments, aligning, how to align your paragraph, align to left, center, and right. Then we've got bullets, numbering. We've got multi-level indentation, page border, and shading, and all of this is under paragraph. Of course, again, as I said, I'm going to show you how where all of this is applicable, but these are basics. So also in styles, as I told you before, this is different styles for fonts. And we've got editing. You can find a particular word in your document and replace it, or select a group of words and then replace them if you want to. I'm going to explain all of that as we go forward. In insert, you can find so many also different groups with different tools. Cover page, blank page. When you want to insert, simply this is where you impute things that you want into your document. So you can find different things. If you want to insert tables, if you want to insert pictures, you come under illustrations that you can insert from online. Shapes, you can draw shapes, different kinds of shapes as you want. You can draw charts, pie charts, column charts, histogram, all kind of chart that you want to insert into your document. Then you can get it there. If you want to also screenshot, you can do that from here. Illustration group, you find all of them. Then remember, I said in the tabs you find groups. All right, this is home tab, insert tab. When you go to design, you're still going to find different groups also, which allows you to work and edit and format your document. All of them are tools that you use to make your document to come out great. Layout, references, and all of that. Okay, so this is about the layout. And then we've got this part, there's this bar here that we'll call scroll bar. These allow you to scroll up and scroll down your document. So you've got multiple documents, we use that too. We've got this is a vertical scroll bar, and we've got horizontal scroll bar that will appear when you are probably when you're zoomed in. Like for instance, now that I've increased my distance, you can see the horizontal scroll bar. I hope you can see that actually. Horizontal scroll bar. All right, that's that about it. And then this you can see a slider here. It is zoom slider, which I use to expand my document. And now if you look at what you're seeing on the screen by default, this is the white area. You can see the white area. This is the layout of your paper. Okay, this is your paper. When you print it out, it's just going to come out like this. So this is just the shape of your paper. That's what you're seeing there. And then under this place you can see different kind of views. We have web layout, we have print layout, which by default that's where your computer or your document is going to appear like. And then we'll have read only. All of them have different kind of view. Web is for graphics, for websites and all of that. And then this for printable paper, which is your document. And this is just when you want to read without editing or doing anything. All right, so that's about Microsoft Windows layouts. Okay, I'm going to take you through how to come to Microsoft Word. Of course, I know some of you might know that also. Now let's talk about file tab. File tab, under here you can see new, open, save as, print, share, export, close, like that. This place is where you you can save your new document or create new document and save new document. You can also open an existing document in your system, and so we'll be explaining all of that as we go ahead. Okay, I'm going to close this now because I want to launch Microsoft Word and I want to the process explain the process for you. So when we click on this, you go to Microsoft here. Then I'm using Windows 11, so my desktop might look a little bit different from yours. But if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 7 2007, as the case may be, Windows 7, just click on the start button and then the programs pop up. Then go to Word version that you're using and click on it. Then Microsoft Word will load. By default, it will bring you up to Windows welcome page, all right, as I like to call it. So here, what you're seeing on your screen now, it's Windows welcome page, and you can see that we've got lots of templates. By default, Microsoft Word gives you templates that you can work with. All right. So if you're not very expert, if you're not an expert yet in using Microsoft Word, you can choose any form of these templates. Like this is CV. You want to create your CV, but you don't know how to arrange your CVs. All you have to do is click on a particular template for CVs design and you pick it, and then you edit by changing the words, accordingly with yours. We have different formats, different fonts, that you can use for that. If you want to create a menu or brochure, you can see this is restaurant brochure, this is education, any type actually that you want to, calendar, whatever thing. They got templates for all of them. You can simply search by typing. Let's say I want to create a newsletter. I can just type newsletter in the search bar and hit enter on my keyboard. It will bring out samples of different kinds of newsletters. So with this, I can choose any one that I want and use it to work and create something that I want. Let's say I want to choose this one, for example. Click on it and then click create. When you click on create, it's going to load it for you. All right, all I'll have to do here is to start editing. Like in this place that they wrote issues, I'm going to click on it and then start working on them. Okay, now we're going to treat on how you can edit. Here you can choose and change the logo and the titles and all of that. If I wanted to just type hello friends, so I can make this newsletter about me and begin to edit and change everything. So you see the designs are already there for me. It's been created. All I have to do is to just edit it and then begin to work with it. So that's how it works with templates and all of that. Okay, so I hope you've been able to see the layouts, the Microsoft layouts that we have shown you.